Today we begin by assessing the shed location and planning a ramp with a gentle slope for easy access. We'll calculate a safe slope and choose sturdy supporting beams to prevent bending or wobbling. Next, we cut pressure-treated boards to size for the ramp deck and framing. We drill pilot holes to reduce splitting and start by assembling the outer frame of the ramp. A sturdy bottom support is essential. We attach treated posts to the shed base with concrete anchors. We check the level to ensure the deck sits evenly across the top and bottom. With the frame square, we add diagonal braces for extra rigidity against wind and use. Now we install the deck boards, spacing them evenly to allow water drainage. We pre-drill and fasten each board with corrosion-resistant screws for longevity. The ramp surface is shaped with a gentle curve to minimize wheel resistance. Edge trim is added to prevent splinters and give a clean finish. We seal all surfaces with outdoor wood sealer to resist moisture and fading. We adjust any creaks by tightening fasteners and adding a touch more bracing where needed. Aesthetics matter, so we stain the wood to a warm, natural tone that lasts. We create a simple slope guide to help future homeowners replicate the build. Safety first, we wear eye protection and gloves throughout the process. We check for protruding nails or loose boards and address them immediately. The completed ramp length matches the shed entry, giving a seamless transition. We add a drainage trickle along the sides to prevent water pooling beneath the deck. A simple maintenance plan keeps the ramp looking and working great for years. We document every measurement and connection for easy future repairs. Now let's review the key safety tips before finishing the project. Tip 1. Keep a clean workspace to prevent accidents and miscuts. Tip 2. Seal and maintain wood yearly to extend life. Tip 3. Measure twice, cut once to avoid waste. Finally, we invite viewers to like, subscribe, and download the Blueprint Pack. The ramp is ready for daily use and for sharing this shed building journey with others. If you're following along from the shed building series, this ramp complements the shed perfectly. This concludes the construction of a strong wooden ramp for a shed project. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more shed building tutorials and tips. Music note: upbeat, hopeful track to accompany the final montage and reveal. If you want more precision, we've included a measurement cheat sheet in the description. We also show a comparison of different ramp materials for future projects. This project demonstrates that a ramp can be strong, safe, and affordable. Remember to pace your cuts and keep your blades sharp for clean results. We finish with a quick cleanup to show how finishing touches matter. The shed and ramp sit ready for any weather with proper sealing and maintenance. That's all for today's build. See you in the next shed project video. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends who are building a shed. For now, thanks for watching and keep crafting your outdoor spaces. End of script. Building a strong wooden ramp for a shed. Consider subscribing to catch more detailed woodworking projects in American English. We'll dive into more shed accessories in the next episode with practical builds. Thanks again. May your next project be sturdy and satisfying. One more safety reminder before you go: never rush critical cuts. Now you have a reliable ramp to access your shed year-round. This concludes the comprehensive build guide for building a strong wooden ramp. End of the video. Thank you for watching this shed building series. Final recap: plan, measure, cut, assemble, finish, and maintain.